accident, across, afraid, after, age, airlines, angry, animal, apple, ask, aunt, baby, bad, bath, be careful, be quiet, beach, beautiful, bed, be, before, begin, both ways, boatman, board, between, box, bread, breakfast, brother, brown, brush, buried, bus, buy, car, calendar, careful, carelessly, change, cheese, chicken, chicks, children, circle, cleaner, close, come again, cook, country, cousin, crayon, cucumber, cup, cut. Daily routine, delicious, dialogue, different, dinner, driver, eat, eggplant, everyday, except, excited, excuse me, fall, family, favorite, fine, fishman, flower, free, fresh, Friday, fridge, fried egg, friend, frog, fruit, garden, get dressed, get up, girl, class, go down, go up, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, goodbye. Government, green, hand, hello, here you are, house, housewife, husband, ice cream, intersection, jeep, juice, jump, kangaroo, laugh, leap year, lentil, let's start, letter, like, little, long, look, love, lovely, lunch, make, meet, midnight, minute, mixed vegetables, Monday, month, money, morning, mother, neighborhood, net, new, next, no horn, nose, officer, often, open, orange, paint, paper, parents, patient, people, photographer, pilot, place, pond, postman, proud, quite, race, raise, remember, roar, same, sandwich, sell, sharpener, short, show, side to side, singer, sit down, sleep, slow down, small, song, spinning top, sport, stand in line, start, stitch, stop, strong, subject, sun, Sunday, sure, tailor, thank you, travel, usually, vegetables, Wednesday, wonderful, working days, year, yellow, yesterday, zebra, zebra crossing, zoo,